Hello students. Now in previous video we start our lesson number 11, poem Rain in Summer, and I read this poem and explain to you. So in this video students we will doing the question answer of that poem. First students, here you see the glossary. Glossary means the meaning of hard words is given to you, like tramp, the sound of somebody's heavy steps, tide, flow of water, gutter, channel at the side of a road to carry away rainwater. Now listen and repeat. So you have to listen all these words carefully and repeat it. Heat, beat, seat. Lane, pane, sane. Roof, hoof, goof. White, tight, side. Gush, lush, rush. Students, while listening you have to understood that all these words are rhyme with each other. Now go to the next word power. Now the next second question is match the column A with B. Column A को column B से match करना है. Like the first word is fairy, means hot as fire. Lane means a narrow road in the countryside. Clatters, to make a very loud sound. Hoof, the hard part of the foot of some animals. Gush, a flow suddenly and a float in a continuous stream. Spout, to flow suddenly and quickly. Pane, a single sheet of glass in a window. Pour, flow of water. Tide, here students match once again. Fairy, hot as fire. Lane, a narrow road in the countryside. Clatters, to make a very loud sound. Hoof, a hard part of the foot of some animals. Gush, to flow in a continuous stream. Spout, a pipe for carrying rainwater from a roof. Pane, a single sheet of glass in a window. Pour, to flow suddenly and quickly. Tide, flow of water. And roar, a loud noise. Now from comprehension student, answer these questions. Why does the poet welcome rain? Answer, the poet welcomes rain because after the dust and hot days of summer, it makes us happy. Second question, what is meant by clatters along the roof? Answer is, the sound of rain on the roof is like the sound made by the hoofs of horses on the roads. Question number third, why does the rainwater have to struggle to come out of the spout? And the answer is, the rainwater have to struggle to come out of the spout because it is in large quantity and get overflow through the spout. Fourth question, how does the rainwater flow down the gutter? Answer, the rainwater flows down the gutter with a roar sound like a river. So students, here we complete our comprehension question answers, and the summary of that poem is, you have to write the summary of poem is, the poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. The poet describes the coming of rain after the hot and dusty summer. Everyone feels very hot. Then rain relieves all from the heat and dust. So everyone welcomes rain in summer. So students, you have to complete this lesson in your fair notebook.